come on. Shit, come on. Damn, this nigga must got the baby dick.
Yeah, and all this shit paid for with bad credit.
Come to daddy. Which one you want, nigga?
You always was old choosy, motherfucker. Oh, you balling hard with the drop top, huh?
I might just be.
Whatever, nigga. It ain't gonna make you go no faster. Hit me on the speakerphone. I'm moving.
Right up here, homie. I'm about to go nice and slow for your bitch ass.
Okay. Hey, remember we gotta be careful with these rides, homie. The Simeon ain't about to dock my pay again.
Homie, man, if you need some bread, I can hook you up with JB's tow truck. It ain't got glamour, but it's some money to be made.
So him and Tanya can smoke crack in peace? Homie, I'm good.
Loco, any ticket we get gonna go on that fool license.
Well, in that case, we might as well enjoy ourselves.
Right.
Shit, cool, homie.
This meant to be your shit.
Please, homie. Man, shit! Hey, look out for fools like me. Oh, we filming shit here, huh?
Left here.
Uh-huh.
I'm schooling your ass, boy.
Whatever you say.
We hang in the left.
Yeah, that's cool.
Left here. We going through the parking lot.
Fine.
You ain't even testing me.
Hey, I'll come at you from the shoulders, homie.
That bucket don't look like the whip.
I don't get you, bro. You are a racist and I don't like you. And I will not sell you this car. I will not. You make my skin crawl, you neo-Nazi. Hey, you are all the same. You're disgusting. This racist insulted me.
Hey, what's up, fool? Who you calling a nigga?
No, I'm not calling nobody a nigga.
So, Jimmy, are you sure you are man enough? Take the wheel and show me.
Sure, okay.
How about we fall through, homie? This chump change. How I'm gonna knock a bad, grown and sexy bitch if I ain't got a fat Pizzaki?
Who you trying to impress?
Your auntie Denise, with all that ass, nigga, she got ass.
She grown, yeah. She grown into a fucking idiot.
Nah, she's sexy.
Sexy? She more like obsessed with sex, nigga.
Nah, mad for the penis. That's exactly how I like my women.
Man, shit, it's good to be home.
What's up? Can a low come up in your crib?
Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work.
Oh, nigga, don't hate me because I'm beautiful, nigga. Maybe you got rid of that old yee-yee-ass haircut you got, you get some bitches on your dick. Oh, better yet, maybe Tanisha will call your dog.